Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide on how to stop Spotify playing suggested song on iPhone and Android. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to walk you through two different methods at which you can simply stop Spotify from playing suggested song or simply turn off autoplay. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open the Spotify app, then make sure you are logged in, then tap on the gear icon at the right top corner of the screen, then scroll down to playback, then look for the playback section, then toggle off the autoplay to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs after your playlist or album ends. And on the other method, which is to disable the autoplay on connected device. So if you use Spotify on other device like a smart speaker or a gaming console, just go to the settings, then click on device, then turn off autoplay on other device to ensure no suggested songs play when connected. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.